Okay, Paul Martinson's employer, so you have to find out what is most likely effect on the longevity risk. Longevity risk is outliving your asset. So in this case, they are going to change from defined benefit to defined contribution plan और उसके लिए उसको 10% का बोनस दिया जा रहा है. But the moment you are going to change from defined benefit to defined contribution, defined benefit was like a annuity. Now you are going to move away from the annuity to self management of your portfolio. So when you are going to self manage your portfolio will now be exposed to, you have to write this back, will be exposed to market risk. And because it will be exposed to market risk, you would have increased longevity risk. ये 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन था, तो एक तो मार्क था वो डिटरमाइन करने के लिए उनकी longevity risk इंक्रीज होगा, और justification के लिए I really don't know how they are going to check whether we are really going to check whether they have written this fact that the portfolio now will be exposed to the market risk वाला factor, या your portfolio will be you will have to manage your own portfolio. इस statement पे marks मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा I don't know. वो they clearly mention about longevity risk. Longevity risk मतलब outliving your asset. You will outlive your asset only and only if asset faces losses, and losses will be faced when there is a risk in the market. If you invest your asset into risk-free asset class, then there is no risk, and in that case you will not outlive your asset. So instead of defined benefit, if you go for defined contribution and you choose to invest conservatively, you will not outlive your asset. So in this case, I really don't know how they are going to check it. At least 1 mark मिल जाएगा by selecting longevity risk, and maybe saying that self-management may increase the risk. But I don't know, how can you write self-management increase the risk?
So because you have to, there are shortfalls in the portfolio and you have to contribute.
Well, you know, different contribution.
Investment risk is there with the
you have to write is that investment risk, but why? When you manage it, you face more risk, whereas when he manages it. So I mean, lack of expertise, maybe you can write maybe lack of expertise.
Because when we have investment risk, I cannot fund it again. They have it then also can fund that.
Yeah, which is called as also called as the mortality credits. But वो तो insurance में है, यहाँ पे नहीं है.
If there is a loss in the portfolio, then the bank also has to fund it.
In the post-retirement life, the losses cannot be funded by you because you are not working, and whereas the employer can fund it because the sponsor would be contributing. ये fine. ये fine है. What have they written?
They have written what you said at market.
So the market risk ऐसा नहीं, मतलब you should just say that exposure to risk will be high. But my point was कि how do you know it will be high? It could be possible that the sponsor has taken more risk and you take lesser risk.
But then you will not have your spending needs. You won't have it the spending requirement.
That's fine.
You have to take some risk to generate.
ठीक है. Still, I would say 1 to 2 marks. Considering 1 mark would be fine. Okay, see, one fact is that you will outlive your asset only and only if the return is lesser as compared to required return. ये point भी fine है लिखने के लिए. And the return will be lesser than required return when the risk is higher. Risk is higher as compared to what it was earlier. So maybe just you can write replacing annuity and self-managing would lead to increase in risk and hence the return would be lower as compared to what was expected. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे 1 mark out of 3. यहाँ पे 2 marks. Shortcoming actually लिखा है, but still I'm not considering that. 3 marks total. ये easy था. 7 out of 7, 10. Or let's say if you have written that, if you have forgot, actually वहाँ पे mention भी किया उन्होंने. This shouldn't be missing out. Tirtesh. So actually you will not get any marks because I mentioned over here. So you will not get any marks. Maybe you may get some marks for writing PV correctly, FV correctly. PV -700 and FV जो था 3 whatever, वो उसका मार्क्स मिलेगा. N का मार्क कटेगा, PMT का मार्क कटेगा. हाँ, so N और PMT गलत होने का मार्क कटेगा. PV, FV के शायद 3 मार्क मिल सकते हैं. एक वो कैलकुलेशन था जो 290 into 1.03:10 उसके मार्क्स मिलेंगे. वो सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का फ्रॉम 3000 उसके मार्क्स मिलेंगे. एंड PV आइडेंटिफाई करने के मार्क्स मिलेंगे. सो आई विल से ओवर हियर 7 out of 7. ये इजी था, ये 4 इजी थे. ये वाला पॉइंट मुझे मिला नहीं था, डिक्रीज वाला पॉइंट. So I am considering, for me, I am gonna lose 2 marks. So 2 marks over here with justification. I am saying if you are gonna simply write home with no debt, you are not gonna get marks. So 2 marks with justification you will get it. Then यहाँ पे 4 6, यहाँ पे 7 13, यहाँ पे 2 15 और 1 16, 16 out of 22.